So these are the women of Washington. On a scale of 1 to retarded, how retarded do I look?
Oh my god. You look like a tool.
Hi there. Good, how are you? He's not amused. Yeah, you want peanut butter or regular? How did I look?
Like a tool.
Well, you know it is me. Oh, I'm eating in his car. He's gonna kill me. I forgot, I can't eat in your car.
Please don't. Oh my god.
It's like driving with a halo from F1. It's not amused by my commentary.
I'm not amused at all.
Hey, your clutch is better.
Right? All he needed was a trackday.
I needed a trackday. I'm essentially driving cross-eyed right now, Steve.
Oh my god, 'cause you can't see.
We're back.
Thank you.
I was driving to the gas.
He literally went to the gas station like this.
Yep, I had a feeling.
I bought Twix. Oh my god, we're clutched up. What's causing the hold up? A Miata.
It's like my commute.
A Miata.
What's going on here?
Caution yellow.
Oh my god,
It's a
gonna be
fuck
yellow the
show,
whole
mate.
way.
Mate, it's a fuck show, isn't it?
Jesus.
Holy!
Oh, already.
Holy fucking hell.
Already.
We're only one lap in, it's already a black flag. Oh, you dragged the clutch,
Sorry,
mate.
sorry.
Is this your first time?
Yes.
You're up against your old car, Steve. Cindy, why are you calling us now? Yo, if she calls again, I'll pick up.
Yeah, I'm racing right now.
Oh, fuck me. Point blind, please. Point.
What?
No, you just challenged him is what you did. This is what Steve wants right here. Holy fucking hell. He's not pointing by. Oh my god, the trail of smoke from that CRX. That M4 is bloody quick. Oh, it's the Miata that held up everyone from before. Let's see if he knows how to point by. No, he hasn't learned. Oh, fuck me. I'm pretty sure he's got cancer. Holy shit. All road rage for you, Steve. Let us go! What a fucking mess! Steve's loving it. He's passed another Type R. Burn! Burn! Okay, you got the mic here. How do you feel, Steve?
His car with better tires. He just needs better tires.
Best P0s made specifically for this car. Are you saying you didn't do a good job?
HN. Thank you, Mr. Bierman.
Who?
Mr. Bierman.
And who's that?
Albert Bierman.
What about him?
I don't want to talk anymore.
Stolen from the N division, isn't it?
Yes. M to N. Born in Nürburgring, honed in Namyang. Oh wait, no, I got it around. Born in Namyang.
This guy well, that was a clear lap.
That was very good. I passed FK8s, that's all that matters.
You passed two of them.
Two of them.
This one was quick though.
That one was quick.
This guy's quick.
Very quick. Wait, is that Steve Kwok?
Who? How do you know all these people?
Honda.
You have a Hyundai. That's a Honda in italics, isn't it? How generous of you. Oh, fucking Martini Porsche is behind us. That should be Group A, not B. Oh, the noise of that 911. Do you feel a vibration?
Yeah.
Pull in.
Early?
I'm feeling a vibration in the steering.
Huh?
Or you're feeling a vibration.
Oh. Yeah,
Oh.
maybe that's why.
That'll do it.
Maybe that's why.
Oh. Oh, that's why. Thanks, man.
Yeah, it's a big enough chunk to make you think something might be wrong.
You'll get it one day. Birds! You keep getting the apex. Oh, the tires. Pirelli, you gotta step your game up. This shit doesn't last half a track day.
Blasted awful. Getting a bruise.
Okay, they're put up. The BRZ looks like it's on very sticky tires. Oh, there we go. That's it. You're done, man. It's game over. It's time to go home.
I'm dialing it back.
You can blame this on Pirelli. That shit was not holding the Nürburgring, I'll tell you. While you do cool down lap, I'll get back to business over here. Nope. Nope. Nope.